What's up, y'all? This is Mechanics Garage, Marty McFly coming at you. Today we got on the GTR, we're gonna be changing our cabin air filter. When I bought this car, I didn't even know these cars even had cabin air filters. I happened to see someone else's video and they said that the car's got one. And my car doesn't smell weird, but you know, it's something that you should probably change if you got one. But I just didn't know I had one in here. All right, guys, so it looks like one of the first things you got to do, sorry for this glare, it's pretty sunny today. You got to pull this glove box door off, and I think you can just pull this thing forward towards you after we open it up and get the manual and warranty book out the way. But I think we should better just pull this thing towards us, and it should help us get this out. All right, we got this side down here. This thing was kind of tough to get off, so you actually had to push it over to the upper left, and then this thing comes out. And I believe it should be hanging on like a string or something like that on this side. Yep, so there's a little string, so we need to detach that, and then that'll let us get this glove box door out of the way. All right, guys, we got this stupid cable off of here. Let me shine some light so you can see it. So there's a cable that hangs on the side of the glove box. It attaches right here. This is it right here on the side. It's got a string on it. This is what the glove box hangs on. To get this thing off of here, you're gonna try to pull it with your fingers. I was struggling. So I just got a flathead screwdriver, hit the side and it popped right off. So now they got our glove box out the way. So we're gonna move that. All right, next phase. So now we got to move this air vent section out of the way. This should just pop off. It's got like some little trim clips or they go around the thing to move it off. And you got to remove this side, because what we're going to have to do is this whole section is going to have to come out, and the filter should be behind here. And this has got some screws all around that we got to take off, but it should be easier to get to once we move this out the way. All right, guys, we got the vent off, as you can see. So now when we look up under here, there's these screws that go all the way around. There's probably about 8 of them. So we're gonna go ahead and unscrew those. And then this whole section should come out. Let me look through here to see if we can actually see where it's at. Yeah, you can see through there, that clear plastic under where you see that green screw, that's actually the door that the filter's in. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these screws, and then this whole piece right here should come down. All right, there is the cabin air filter door. That's it right there. So we're gonna see, pop that off, and here is our filter. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. It was time to change this. I'm glad we went ahead and bought one. All right, we got the filter in. We got the panel pushed back up. So now we got to go ahead and put all these screws put all these screws back in here. All right, guys, it is all back together. As you can see, didn't break anything. Cabin air filter is replaced. All right, thanks for watching. Look for more GTR content. We got a few more things we're probably going to do pretty soon. And follow us on Instagram at the Mechanics Garage. Like and subscribe here on YouTube. Peace.